So here we have a typical example of a summation evaluation question. You would read this as the summation as k goes from 0 to 2 of 1 minus k squared. So the easiest way to approach this problem is to simply make a little table where we have k, and k is 0, 1, 2. And then we have k squared, because there's a k squared right there, and that's 0, 1, 4. And then we have 1 minus k squared, and this is 1 minus, 1 minus, 1 minus, and now we see the k squared is 0, 1, 4. 0, 1, 4. And now, what is this equal to? 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1, I'm sorry, I messed that up. I was looking at the other one. That happens sometimes. You'll look at the next line while you're doing one line. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. I was looking at that line while I was doing this line. And 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Let me make this a little bigger. Okay, so your final answer, you add all these up. 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 3 is negative 2. So our final answer is the sum as k goes from 0 to 2 of 1 minus k squared is equal to negative 2. That is our final answer.